So how to convert USDT to USDC on your Binance? This is my Binance interface, and if you see this kind of interface, then you have to go your trade and convert and block trade. And once you're there, then you can see this is my available balance. Make sure your available balance is and select instant, resource or limit. So you have to select your instant option, and now select your USDT, and here you have to select USDC and enter your amount. For example, I want to convert one USDT to USDC, then press on preview. Then you can see this kind of interface. If you press on convert, then it will be convert successfully. Press on OK, and to see your USDC, go to your dashboard and press on your balance, and then you can see this is the USDC. Under spot, or sorry, under funding, you can see your USDC amount. This one. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.